Hello, my name is Irvin, and if you're running a website, it's absolutely essential that you understand the impact of web hosting on your site's performance. Poor quality web hosting can result in long page load times, low conversion rates, and high bounce rates. But there is hope with UltaHost web hosting. I'm going to show you specifically how to make sure your page loads quickly, keeps visitors on your site longer, and boosts conversions. The impact of web hosting on your website's bounce rate and user experience. Web hosting is an essential element for any website to function properly. With millions of websites available on the internet, your website needs to be blazingly fast, secure, and trustworthy to stand out from the crowd. This is where a reliable web hosting company like UltaHost come into play. UltaHost is a leading web hosting provider that offers a range of services, including shared hosting, dedicated hosting, VPS hosting, and cloud hosting. The company provides its customers with top-notch features like unlimited bandwidth, robust security, and 24/7 customer support, making sure that their website is always up and running. The importance of choosing the right web hosting company is often underestimated, but it can have a significant impact on a website's user experience. A slow-loading website can cause visitors to leave immediately, leading to a high bounce rate. According to a study by Google, 53% of mobile site visitors will leave a page that takes longer than 3 seconds to load. This demonstrates the critical role that web hosting plays in providing a fast and reliable experience to visitors. One of the most significant impacts a reliable web hosting company can have on a website is reducing its bounce rate. A website's bounce rate refers to the percentage of visitors who leave a site after viewing only one page. High bounce rates are a significant concern for businesses, as they indicate that visitors are not engaging with their content and are less likely to convert into customers. By investing in a reliable web hosting service like UltaHost, businesses can improve their website speed and performance, which in turn leads to a far better user experience. When visitors have a positive user experience, they are more likely to stay on the site for longer and engage with its content, resulting in a lower bounce rate. Additionally, web hosting affects the security of your website. UltaHost offers comprehensive security features such as DDoS protection, SSL certificates, and daily backups, which protect against cyber attacks and data theft. This ensures that your website is secure and trustworthy, building trust with your visitors. In conclusion, it's vital for businesses to partner with a reliable web hosting company to ensure maximum website performance, reduced bounce rates, and a satisfactory user experience. UltaHost has established itself as a premium web hosting provider, complete with cutting-edge technology, unparalleled customer service, and top-tier security features. By choosing UltaHost for your web hosting needs, you can rest assured that your online presence is in capable hands. Head to ultahost.com to get started. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and helpful content like this.